Hello. Today we're going to learn how to take a picture with your camera and upload it directly into your Google Classroom as an assignment. So first we pick the appropriate classroom. I'm going to choose one I am the teacher of. When you're in your classroom, if you look at the bottom of your screen, you need to switch from stream to classwork. Once you've done that, you can hit the plus sign to create whichever type of assignment you want. After creating the assignment, make sure to name it and give directions for clarity's sake. When you're ready to add the picture, hit the paperclip in the top right area of your screen. That will bring up your attachment options. Select camera, and you may have to give access the first time you do this. When taking the picture, make sure to fill as much of the frame as straight as possible with the image. When satisfied, take your picture. You can either retake or use this photo. The options are in the bottom corners. It will then load your picture into your workspace. Once you've done that, you have the eyeball icon on the right that allows you to change this to make a copy for each student. Once you've done that, make sure you've selected a due date so that the students will know when things are due and it'll appear on their upcoming events calendar. You can select time and date. I recommend 11:59 p.m. so they have till the end of the day. If you want to create a topic, then you click on topic and you can add a new one or use a previously made topic. This is good for organizing your class and materials so that you may find them easier. When you're satisfied with your assignment, if you look to the top right, you can go ahead and schedule for this assignment to be posted, or if you click the paper airplane, then it will post automatically right now. You will see it under your classwork tab. I created the topic tutorial, so there it is. When I click the assignment, I can see which students I have assigned this to, how many have turned it in, or I can click over to classroom instructions and see exactly what the students see. I hope this helps. Please let me know if you have any further questions.